Welcome back to Planner Apocalypse, where I'm gonna be doing my Hobonichi 2023 unboxing. We are in the middle of vlog Humbug, and I think this is day... I have no idea what day this is because I didn't actually schedule this yet. Haha! In any case, let's just open it up, shall we? I have a box cutter, and I'm going to endeavor to not slice my hand open like my dad does every Christmas. There we go. What's inside? It's okay if it were a lie or a joke. Try saying, I had something good today too, and then close your eyes. Something as good as a tiny stone is rolling here and there more often than you think. Safety matches, fireplace chat. Ooh! So I thought they would be tissue paper or something, but you can see what I got right away. I didn't get a whole lot this year, which is good because that is all about my maker's year. This is a Hobonichi Weeks cover because I love this pattern. This is the A6 cover on cover. So that I got the lavender, of course, because it's dreamy. I got this in case I decide to ever go back to a Hobonichi Weeks. I didn't buy the Weeks though. I'm getting better. Oh, and I also bought the cousin size because it's gorgeous. And there was this one cover from 2019. I think it was called Hide and Seek. I really wanted it, and then I did not get it, and you cannot find it anymore. So that's sad. But yeah, I got the Hobonichi Techo original. So I'm thinking about using this. This is in the lineup for the contenders for my my Maker's Year journal. Hopefully I will have a video to link, maybe. I don't know, everything is kind of messed up right now, but this year I also got the weekly companion because I wanted to design some stickers to go in here. And I got the A6 notebook. It could be my Maker's Year in here. Not sure. But this year, the two free gifts that Hobonichi gave out were... That was just the box falling. This year, they gave out a 2023 gift bag, which is quite nice. In case you want to gift this to someone, or in case you want to, store your 2023 memories in it. This is the free Jetstream pen this year. I am not in love with the colors, to be honest.
My rainbow colors are gone!
Yeah, it's just a brown and a blue. It's not my favorite color combination in the world, but there it is. So yeah, we got these nice little things. We got this nice little thing. And it's also nice to know that they moved out of plastic packaging for their Techo books. They still have them, for this. I don't know whether they changed anything there, but yeah. Should I open it up? Now I'm scared because I have planner analysis paralysis where I haven't set up all of the parameters for my Maker's Year. I may as well just talk about it now. So this, I love this. This is just gorgeous. But yeah, I'm putting this aside. This is just me talking for myself, okay? I don't want to be assigning this to anybody else. If it resonates with you, then you take it. I am not making any sort of blanket statements for anybody. This is just me. But I have noticed that I have an overspending problem. And especially when it comes to any of my hobbies. And, planning is now a hobby of mine. I have always been obsessed with stationery ever since I was a little girl. And it morphed into scrapbooking when I was in my mid-20s, mid to late 20s. And that soon got untenable and out of control to the point where, it was just so overwhelming I stopped scrapbooking. And then bullet journaling entered my life in 2019. And I want to do a separate video about how bullet journaling changed my life. Number one, it helped me use a lot of my stash because I am one of those people that like to do the creative stuff. But anyway, fast forwarding. So at the end of 2019, I think I might have mentioned this in another video. I have no idea. But I needed expander discs for my homeschool planner, which was originally in this ARC, like letter notebook. And like right now I'm not using it. I used to have a decal that said Stay Curious on it, and I pulled it off and it actually ripped off part of the leather. But anyway, I was gonna destash this or turn it into something else. I'm not really sure. But I had, you know, metallic gold discs to go with the gold decal, because I didn't know that Pretty Things like Happy Planner existed yet. And when I went to get those expander discs, I found them in Happy Planner. And it, you know, that was October 2019, I think. And then the rest was just downhill from there. 2020 started this hungry chain of consumption, like going deep into the planner world. Another thing about me is that I have an insatiable curiosity, sometimes, as in this instance, to my own detriment. However, if you think about it, if I didn't know how to use planners, I wouldn't have designed my own planner with the Memento Mori Goal Planner. So it was, I guess, overconsumption, but like it had a purpose at the end, and now I'm just trying to like rein it in. Anyway, so yeah, whenever there's like something that I'm very interested in, I will invest a lot of like time and money in it. And planners and journals and all that stuff is the thing for me right now. And next year, 2023, is going to be my maker's year, where I try to get my overspending into some form of control. So I will be setting very specific rules for myself, including a no spend around planner stuff. If I want it, I have to make it. So that's why I'm calling it my maker's year, because whenever you're dealing with some kind of addiction and recovery, because for me personally, this is a legitimate addiction. And it's interfering with the, you know, health of my life. It is getting in the way of my life. It's getting in the way of my productivity, because like I will spend hours just lost browsing websites, not necessarily buying at that point, but then I like find something that I'll fixate on, and then I'll be thinking about it for days until I finally give in and buy it. So anyone who doesn't think that shopping is a legitimate addiction, I think you're mistaken. But of course, you know, measure your own experience. I do not have an like outside job. I own a business, and I'm a stay-at-home mom otherwise. So I do not make a lot of money, so I should not be spending a lot of money. You know what I mean? So, but if you can afford all of the things and that makes you happy, like do what you want. That being said, so my maker's year will kind of, I guess we're going into it now. My maker's year will have a few different components. One of them being a recovery journal, so that I can witness what I'm going through and have space to vent about it. That being said, I'm not sure that this is going to be enough to, you know, vent in, because it, you know, it is a daily thing. Oh, look at that. Those are little cookies. That's cute. Aww. Oh my god. All right, we're gonna cut this apart and put it all over the place. I have no idea what that says, but I just really like it. Oh my god, look at these little cookies. Okay. Okay. And then we've got this other little info pamphlet. Oh my god! Oh my god, they have a trial page. Oh, wow. That's new. Okay, so they've included this little trial page. It is printed on Tomoe River paper, which is nice. They have the month. Is this the same? Obviously, it's not the same size as that, but the A6. But it's not even the same size as the weekly supplement. But they have the month, and it's for January. And they also have the monthly dashboard for January, and they have the first 3 days. 1, 2, 3. That's so cute. I feel like only someone who's obsessed with stationery and planners would be like, oh my god, that's so cute. But yeah, I also, honestly, I missed having my A6 little tiny book. In 2021, my tarot journal was in an original, and I missed it, to be honest. I did. There were a lot of days where I did not do things in here, but not as much as, you know, with the cousin. Just so this might just end up being a creativity journal. It might end up being my recovery journal. I'm not entirely sure yet. I am going to be a big girl, and I'm going to commit to keeping it, and stop having like all the weird second thoughts that I always get, like after buying a thing, and like, I bought this, but now I have to, like, you know, return it or try to sell it because I shouldn't keep it. But I'm gonna just commit, and there you go. Cute little, look at it, shiny. I've never actually gotten one of their notebooks before. Yeah, they have 4 different colored grids in here. Like this, the first set is red, the next is blue, the next is like olive green, and the last is purple. So if you wanted to do like a quarterly thing, if you were doing like a bullet journal or something in here, I don't actually remember how many pages this is. Oh well. I'll put it on the screen because I can't remember. And yeah, and then of course we've got the weekly supplement here. It does have the calendar here and cute little weekly, almost like it's like a tiny version of the Hobonichi Cousins weekly, which I don't use. So like, why the hell did I buy this, girl? Like I said, I would like to make stickers and sticker kits. So that's what that is, a business write-off right there. Another thing about my maker's year is I need to set rules about my business spending, because I can't just be like, oh, it's planner related. I have a planner company. It's going to be a business expense. Ha 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 ha. No, we can't do that. No. So we are going to be doing, who am I? What? Okay, I am going to be doing a video separately about my maker's year after I have a little bit more research and stuff under my belt. And I love this thing so much. I'm so pleased that they have my like pastel colors, girl. So pleased. Whee! And what is this? Just paper. That feels nice. It's nice paper. All right, so yeah, it's gonna be a journal of some kind, I say, with my 5-year journal being like, dude, what the heck? I'm a journal. I'm a 5-year journal. What are you doing buying other journals when I'm a 5-year journal? And I have no explanation. I have regrets. We're gonna put this guy in here. And this. Oh no, there's no back pocket access. Okie dokie. So this can actually go in here, which is what it's like designed for. It can go there, or it can go in the back pocket, but with this cover on cover, it can't, there's no like access for it, so oh well, cannot do that. And I need a pen to put in here, so that gets held closed. I'm just gonna put my TWSBI in there. Ta-da! And got the cute little thing and this other cute thing. Yeah, that's that's it. I'm gonna open this and commit to using this as well. Yeah, if you happen to also have issues with controlling yourself around planners and stationery and stuff, and it is causing issues, you are in good company. I do not judge anybody for it at all, except for myself, of course, because I'm very harsh on myself. But this whole year, next year, 2023, is going to be about that. I have this whole stack of books that I got. Ironically, I bought lots of books about overspending and like why we do it. So yeah, if you are curious to see how that goes, or if you are like, yes, I need some ideas, I'm going to be bringing you plenty of ideas over the next year as I'm working on my May cards year. So stay tuned for that video, which is not filmed yet as of right this second. It is December 6th. Happy St. Nicholas Day, by the way. By the time this goes up, it's going to be long gone. That's fine. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.